In a world where every touch matters, where what graces your skin speaks volumes, there exists a sanctuary of beauty and wellness. Baberia Platinum Spa. Introducing our collection of prestige natural beauty oils and massage scents. Each essence, handpicked with utmost care and meticulously selected to bring you the finest in natural luxury, promises to elevate your skincare ritual to a realm of pure luxury. From the zesty zest of citrus to the soothing embrace of lavender, the tranquil whispers of chamomile, the refreshing coolness of eucalyptus, and the uplifting fragrance of rosemary. Immerse yourself in a sensory symphony that celebrates the essence of nature's bounty. Because here at Baberia Platinum Spa, we understand the art of true beauty. It begins with honoring the purity of nature. Feel the difference, experience the elegance, and revel in the radiance of naturally effective beauty products. Discover the essence of pure indulgence. Discover Baberia Platinum Spa